Live in ecstasy here now. This secret to happiness bears repeating. It's so simple. Live in ecstasy here now. But to live here now, you have to be determined. You must take up a ferocious vow, or keep falling into the trap of looking elsewhere for your happiness. But how to fall in love with this very humble moment where the great show of the universe is always playing? Do your asanas with devotion. Learn to strike the ground with your feet in earnest, not just once or twice, but again and again, until the earth wakes up beneath you and delights in your adamant stances of communion. Watch a slow transformation take place within you. Instead of pressing the inject button on now, welcome this moment, whether grim or sublime. Instead of fearing your death, stand ready to meet your end whenever it may arrive. Like a rolling wave comes to the beach at the end of its journey, spinning, tumbling, barreling, and crashing with mesmerizing jubilation. Supreme delight is yours if only you ground your mind like you ground your body in an asana. Win the mental power to remain steady, knowing that you will soon see the world's beauty pageant no more. Seeking Ananda Samadhi, blissful absorption, you, the yogi, know it's all a matter of regarding your own personal singular death with the connoisseur's delight. Take in the nose of your spiraling, winding, magical life, including the continuous rhythmic march towards your demise. Take it all in with candid, thorough, and expert appreciation. Know that life zooms by in a flash, and dance your dance like a dervish under a spell. Exert consummate control and unfurl your wildest, fiercest, most intensely free self. Journey inward into the deep waters of your own body. That's where you'll find the ecstatic realm of your death, right alongside inherent knowledge of the plain, magical miracle of being awake to being alive. There's a secret one, a divine source who dwells in the cave of your own heart, who gave you your life and your death as two great gifts bestowed upon you with honor. Before you were born, this source commanded you to come out into this playground of a world and fight to leave behind imitation and limitation. And you can do it. Celebrate your aloneness in your own life. Join the ranks of the holy shamans. Join the ranks of the holy shamans, tricksters, childlike fools, poets, hate renouncers, and love mongers, all who know this little secret to happiness. Live in ecstasy here now. Live in ecstasy